Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so when an aircraft flies, when an aircraft flies at a speed less than that of sound, the sound waves reach our ears as a continuous tone, whereas for a sonic boom, which is heard due to the production of shock wave, so let me write shock wave in bracket here. For a sonic boom, the waves need to overlap, and constructively interfere to form a strong burst. Okay, now since this overlap is not possible with a slower wave, sonic boom is not produced. Well, this should be sufficient to answer that question.